Welcome dear students to today's session of Summit for Maths. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for further notifications. Let's get started. In today's session of trigonometry, we have the problem if sin theta plus cos theta is equal to P and secant theta plus cosecant theta is equal to Q, then prove that Q into P squared minus 1 is equal to 2P. Let us now consider the LHS Q into P squared minus 1, in which let us find out P squared minus 1 first, which is equal to sin theta plus cos theta the whole squared minus 1. Let us expand. We get sin squared theta plus cos squared theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 1. We know that the identity sin squared plus cos squared is equal to 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 1. Cancelling 1 and minus 1, we get 2 sin theta cos theta. So P squared minus 1 is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta. Now let us find Q into P squared minus 1. Value of Q is secant theta plus cosecant theta into P squared minus 1 is 2 sin theta cos theta. We can write secant theta as 1 by cos theta plus cosecant theta as 1 by sin theta into 2 sin theta cos theta. Let us take LCM. So we get sin theta plus cos theta by sin theta cos theta into 2 times sin theta cos theta. So we can cancel sin theta and cos theta. So we get 2 times sin theta plus cos theta, which is 2P. So we get the RHS. Hence we have proved. Now the next problem we have here is if sin theta into 1 plus sin squared theta is equal to cos squared theta, then prove that cos power 6 theta minus 4 cos to the power of 4 theta plus 8 cos squared theta is equal to 4. Here we are given that sin theta into 1 plus sin squared theta is equal to cos squared theta. So we can write sin squared as 1 minus cos squared. So in the next step we get sin theta into 2 minus cos squared theta is equal to cos squared theta. Now let us square this equation on both sides. We get sin squared theta into 2 minus cos squared theta the whole square is equal to cos to the power of 4 theta. Now we can substitute sin squared as 1 minus cos squared again. We are doing this because the equation that we have to prove is all in terms of cos. So we convert sin in terms of cos. Now let us expand 2 minus cos squared theta the whole squared. We get 4 minus 4 cos squared theta plus cos power 4 theta. Now let us multiply. We get 4 minus 4 cos squared theta plus cos to the power of 4 theta minus 4 cos squared theta plus 4 cos to the power of 4 theta minus cos to the power of 6 theta is equal to cos power 4 theta. Let us cancel cos power 4 theta, which we have on LHS and RHS. So we have 4 minus 8 cos squared theta plus 4 cos power 4 theta minus cos to the power of 6 theta is equal to 0. Taking everything except 4 to RHS, we get cos to the power of 6 theta minus 4 cos to the power of 4 theta. Taking to the right side, we get plus 8 cos to the power of 2 theta. 4 is on the same side, so which is equal to 4. So this is what we have to prove. Let us conclude the answer as hence proved. The last problem of today's session is, if cos theta by 1 plus sin theta is equal to 1 by a, then prove that a squared minus 1 by a squared plus 1 is equal to sin theta. We are given that cos by 1 plus sin theta is equal to 1 by a. So we can write a is equal to 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. Let us find out a squared. So we get 1 plus sin theta by cos theta the whole square, which is equal to 1 plus sin squared theta plus 2 sin theta by cos squared theta. Now let us find out a squared minus 1. So a squared is 1 plus sin squared theta plus 2 sin theta by cos squared theta minus 1. So which can be written as 1 plus sin squared theta plus 2 sin theta minus cos squared theta whole divided by cos squared theta. The next thing we have to find out is a squared plus 1, which is equal to 1 plus sin squared theta plus 2 sin theta by cos squared theta plus 1. So which can be written as 1 plus sin squared theta plus 2 sin theta plus cos squared theta whole divided by cos squared theta. We know that sin squared plus cos squared is 1, so we get 2 plus 2 sin theta by cos squared theta. So let us mark it as 1 and this equation as 2. From 1 and 2, we get a squared minus 1 by a squared plus 1 is equal to 1 plus sin squared theta plus 2 sin theta minus cos squared theta whole divided by cos squared theta, and denominator we have to substitute a squared plus 1, which is 2 sin theta plus 2 whole divided by cos squared theta. So we can cancel cos squared and cos squared. 1 minus cos squared can be written as sin squared theta. It's an identity. So we have sin squared theta here. Sin squared plus 2 sin theta. The whole divided by 2 can be brought out, and within the brackets we have sin theta plus 1. Now in the numerator we have 2 sin squared theta plus 2 sin theta divided by 2 into sin theta plus 1. In the numerator, let us bring out 2 sin theta. So we have sin theta plus 1 within the brackets, and denominator we have 2 into sin theta plus 1. Cancelling 2 and sin theta plus 1 both in numerator and denominator, we have sin theta which is equal to RHS. Hence we have proved. Hope the session was interesting. For much more, please subscribe to the channel Summit for Max. Thanks for watching.